I've never made an intro before. Here it is. Intro to the intro. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is me doing it. Wait, say more. Even in the handle, pinky's out. That's how you do it. I made an emote for stage, and it went this way. Hope you like. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna pause this game real quick because we're talking about this so much. I really just want to show you. So, hold up. Okay, so we're gonna go out of here. I'm gonna open Discord and snag that image and see if I can do that. Let me save the image. Save it as creep. Yeah, save it as a creep. It's a creep. Save it. Let me just see if I can do it. This is gonna be interesting, guys. Dude, you're not derailing shit. I derailed it. You don't get that power. No, you're fine. I had a feeling this was gonna happen, but I need to open it first so I have somewhere to go with it. Open with Paint 3D. Boom! Okay. Ort. So, what I would do for this shit is magic select. Except I think before I magic select, I kind of want to... Yeah, because it's just, he's so wide and narrow. I would want to, like, move this over. No. Okay. She needs her tablet. I'm always ready for this crap, so don't worry. Hiya! Where am I? Come here. Where am I? Oh, come on. Really? You get... My tablet's being a bitch. Hi, Rosalani. Rosalani. Why was that so hard for me? Alright, tablet's being a fuckhead, so fuck him. Well, let's just play with it and see. Since I have it, I can play with it and I'll just do something else. But I'm gonna just real quick make them go away. Honestly, that still works really well because it's just like, hi. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna say done, and make it a sticker, and then I just go ahead and get it as big as I can when I've made it a sticker. Let's stretch them out a little bit. Stretch them out a little bit. Check, please. Then I just do new. Don't save because it really doesn't matter. Go to your canvas. This is really the only part that's super important. I try to get it roughly square because you're going to be making it square after anyway. And then transparent. Gotta be transparent. Go back over to your stickers. There he is. Come here, daddy. Make sure you don't click away or anything because he'll stick down and then you won't be able to adjust size or position. Call that good so I can erase some of that shit. Eraser! Can I turn you down? Where's my button? Yeah! Turn that DPI so fucking low. Fucking need to turn the DPI back up. There we go. Text. There's nothing fun here. Comic Sans. Always good. Well, that's making my f***ing nose vibrate and feel weird. Let's make you bigger. Beep. Okay, biggle. Oh, shit. Biggle! Biggle! How big is that? Oh, that's too big. That's just too big. That's what she said, and she was correct. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and save as a creepy sticker. Save it to the orc. Save. Now we're gonna go creepy stick. Bum 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 bum. Now I know what you're thinking. Wasn't this what you just had open there a second ago? Nope. Okay. Ha! Boom! It's an emote. Now, woo.